guys, I am putting in some window linings, otherwise known in Australia as jambs. J-A-M-B-S. Window jambs, door jambs. It's just a lining that there's louvers going in here, but over there they're the Cottage windows, and there's also linings there. So you have an architrave, you have your sheeting. That's what I'm doing. This is mahogany. We're using mahogany.
Does it go through that time?
Hey?
Did it go through that time? Not too bad. The nail gun, because Brian was having trouble.
Is it more successful?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good. The nail gun wasn't working. It was not punching through all the way the nails earlier. So he changed the head. Oh, I can hear something.
Oh shit.
Oh. So that was the other one earlier. You okay? No, it's gone. No. Okay, back to the old one. The good old Inco.
I'm sorry.
Your belly is getting bigger, Bri. Oh, kicked in. No leaks, that one. Alrighty, job done for today. Done the window, this one and that one. Brian did that, also this one here. I think last month. So we've been pretty slack for a while, and today we kinda decided to just finish the work for, is it nogging you call it?
Window jambs.
So yeah, we finished the jambs, 1, 2, and also the door. And Brian's doing this one, the last one, and you have to do it again tomorrow because apparently it's a pain in the ass, as always. The last piece always cause trouble. So anyway, tomorrow again. We're a bit kind of concerned with this coconut. finishing the roof. This one is a dwarf coconut, so it should not grow as tall as it is now. Might grow just a little bit, but should not be a drama. Okay, so this is our temporary ladder. We are going to put stairs kind of like that, and then there's a flat landing area in the middle before going down to the you probably can see the concrete pad. Yeah, so it will be quite challenging for me to weld. So I do all the welding and Brian helped me. Well, he engineered. Hey, you're scratching your butt. Ew, you're disgusting. Don't do that. What are you doing? Anyway, Brian's doing the engineering part, measuring and making sure everything is in place. So yeah, we do this. See? Ta-da! Not bad for a lady.
Come on, let's go.
Time to go home. It's getting dark.
Drum o'clock.
It's beer o'clock. Excuse me, Andy. We're going down now. Always happy to see us. Oh, here comes Peggy boy. Ow, ow. Oh, you're wet. You been on the beach? Oh no, you're all on some shit. You silly girl, you are. Ah, I don't like it. You stinky sod. No, go away. No, go away.
Well, they probably don't do it on purpose. It's just they're fighting.
Ew.
There's chicken shit all over the yard.
No, she rolled on it. No, don't come near me. You're not a good girl. I don't like it. I said no, I don't like it. Comes Mr. Ming Ming. He's a big boy now. Are you no. You that guapo boy? Yes, you are. No, Andy, please, no. I don't like it. No. No. You're a guapo boy. There she comes. Mary, Mary. It's a beautiful afternoon. It was very windy for a few days. We have the easterly wind, so easterly wind's always stronger wind. Swimming pool's looking nice and clean. We have a very good maintenance guy. His name is Brian. So that's the Outlook. We named the Outlook. That's the last building we construct. It's about like maybe 70% of that work done by Brian and I. And of course, you probably can see we call it Outlook because it has a beautiful view from the balcony and also the inside of that building. Mary, it's okay, baby. No, it's okay. Come on. We have some papaya, ripe papaya, and it's summer. We have no rain for must be a couple months now or more, and we have a lot of the plants are flowering madly, especially these ones, frangipanis, and of course the bougainvillea kind of they like I'll zoom this one in, it's quite nice. So bougainvillea loves the sun, like full sun, and yeah, they will give lots of flower just like that one there. There's more flowers than actually leaf. This is a we call it Bermuda or Bermuda. It's a better grass than actually a buffalo grass, or we call it carabao grass, because they kind of they don't dry as quickly as carabao grass. So we have a little bit of patches here. You can see some are dead, burnt. Those are buffalo or carabao grass. See, that's a carabao grass, and that's the Bermuda. So this is the view of this new accommodation we built. So it was once like this, gazebo, only gazebo, and because we are short of a accommodation, so we convert it into a cottage. And because it's octagonal shape, it's only small, so we're going to put the shower and the toilet down the bottom, and then upstairs is the bedroom. So yeah, we have the banana here. This is lakatan. There you go. Brian ordered it in Lazada online shopping, and it was like that small when they shipped it to us. It was only small, and yeah, we put it first in the pot because it was also during the dry season. And we have one tree that actually give us some fruits. These are dwarf coconuts from Mindanao in Dapitan, from my friend's farm. And that's the first A-frame villa we built. Bye! Alrighty! Okay, te. Wow, look at that. It's flowering. They're going home now, the staff. And that's all for today's video. If you do like this video, don't forget to give us a like. It does help my channel. And if you are new to my channel and you would like to follow us to see more construction, also running a small business here in the Philippines, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thank you so much guys for watching, and bye for now.